watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today I am back on your high demand video. Yes guys, you asked me a lot of time in the comment section of a lot of DM also I've get, ma'am, how we can introduce ourselves as a beginners. Yes guys, this whole video is just for the beginners. If you are in A1 or A2, this video is in detail for you. So we have told all the options to introduce yourself the basic way, in detail, everything, proper pronunciation, proper sentence structure, possible situations. Yes, this will be a very informative video. If you are watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. Let's start this video because I am very excited to see you introducing yourself. Let's start.
Let's learn how to introduce yourself in German. This is basically a beginner's guide. Guten Morgen means good morning. Ich heiße Rahul means my name is Rahul. So instead of Rahul, you can tell your own name. Then next is Ich bin 25 Jahre alt means I am 25 years old. Here you can tell your exact age and remember how to pronounce the numbers in German language. Then Ich komme aus Indien means I come from India. So in this line you have to tell your home country, from where do you belong. Then Ich wohne in Delhi means I live in Delhi. So here you have to tell the place where you are living right now. Ich bin Student means I am a student. Now remember, if you are not a student and a working person, then you can say Ich arbeite als and then your profession. For example, I can say Ich arbeite als Lehrerin because I am a female teacher. Then next point is meine Hobbys sind Lesen und Musik hören means my hobbies are reading and listening to music. Now remember, if you have only one hobby, then instead of saying meine Hobbys sind, just say mein Hobby ist and then whatever your hobby is. Then Ich komme aus einer kleinen Familie means I come from a small family. Mein Vater ist Lehrer und meine Mutter ist Hausfrau means my father is a teacher and my mother is a homemaker. Then Ich habe eine jüngere Schwester means I have a younger sister. Here you can tell about your siblings, like if you have more than one sibling, then you can tell about that also. Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten und leben möchte means I am learning German because I want to work and live in Germany. So this is the basic motive of someone of learning Germany. But let's say your motive is different. You are learning German because it's your hobby. So you can tell that thing also. Then Ich habe meinen Bachelorabschluss in Informatik an der Universität Delhi gemacht means I completed my bachelor's degree in computer science at Delhi University. Here you can tell your own bachelor's degree, like what you have done. Now you are applying for the job, then here are some of the things which you can tell it while introducing yourself. For example, Ich habe auch an verschiedenen Projekten gearbeitet, um praktische Erfahrungen zu sammeln means I also worked on various projects to gain practical experience. Then mein Studium hat mir geholfen, meine analytischen und problemlösenden Fähigkeiten zu verbessern means my studies helped me improve my analytical and problem solving skills. And the last one is Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen means I am pleased to meet you.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.